Good morning, sir. Good
Good afternoon. Good afternoon,
afternoon,
sir.
sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. 1 minute. We will be recording this session. So, 1 minute. Good afternoon. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu,
afternoon,
Guru
sir.
Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. First, we will take Queen checkmate. After that, we will go to some of the openings like Rui Lopez, Gyoko Piano, Sicilian defense, then French defense, and Petrov defense. Can anybody tell how
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
to checkmate Black King Queen? How will you checkmate Black King? You need not give check. You force the king to last row. After that, you have to bring the king.
Sir, how to checkmate is the queen has to think like a knight.
No, queen have to like you have to
That Queen C3.
Queen C3 correct.
Queen.
Queen C3. Now suppose I move king D5. What will you do?
Queen
Sir,
B4.
queen b4.
B4.
Now
Queen
this
B4.
column is blocked. This row is blocked. This diagonal is blocked. Did you get it? Now I will move king.
Yes, sir.
Now I will move king here.
Sir,
Queen C4. Queen C4.
C4.
Queen C4.
Now
Queen
this diagonal
C4.
is blocked. This row is blocked. This column is blocked. Now I move king queen here. What will you do?
That Queen D5. Queen D5. Queen D5.
Queen D5.
Queen D5.
Now king this diagonal is blocked. This column is blocked. This column is blocked. Now I move king F7, D7. What will you do?
That Queen E6. Queen E6.
Queen e6.
Correct. Now this you need not give check. You have to force the king to last row. Now what will you do?
That Queen D7. Queen E7.
Why not queen
E7.
F7? Why not queen F7? Then it will be stalemate.
Make a stalemate. Stalemate.
Now you have to
Queen
move to queen
E7.
D7 or E7. Now
No, sir.
check.
Queen
D7 or
is-
E7.
Queen
Anything is
is-
okay. Now you have to bring the king.
No, sir, we should move the king.
No,
Sir, king f2.
king F2. Correct.
King F2.
Now what will you do?
King to g3.
Correct. Now king what will you do?
King F4.
King to f4.
King F4. Now king where will you move?
g5.
King E5.
King
King E5.
G5, not E5. Now what
E5.
will you do? Now what will you do?
King to
King G6. King G6.
Now
F6.
Now what will you do?
Queen g7 mate.
Queen
Queen
G7.
g7 or queen h7 mate.
Or even
Both is okay.
or even
E8.
E8 is also
Queen
correct.
D8.
E8. Can you do it once again? Can you do it?
Queen C8.
Yes, Queen. Can you do it once again? Can you tell?
Queen to c3.
Queen to C3. Okay. King F4. What will you do?
Queen to d3.
3.
Okay. You need not give check. You have to force the king to last row. Now what will you do?
Queen to e4.
Queen to E4.
Queen to E4. Okay. Now king will move here. What will you do?
Queen to d5.
Queen to D5. Correct. Now king to G6. What will you do?
Queen to e5.
Queen to E5. Correct. Now king will move here. What will you do?
Queen to d6.
Queen to D6.
Queen to D6. Okay. Now king moves here. What will you do?
Queen to e6.
Queen to E6. Correct. Now king moves to H8. What will you do?
Queen to d7.
Queen to D7.
Seven.
Now king moves to G8. What will you do?
King to f2.
KF2. Correct. Now K1. What will you do?
King to
King
g3.
King F3.
King F3.
g3.
Amodini is there. Okay. Now what will you do?
King
Amodini.
G4.
King g4.
King G4. Okay. Now king here h8. What will you do?
King
King
G5.
F5.
King
King
g5.
F5.
Correct.
King
F5.
G5.
Now king d8. What will you do?
King to
F6.
F6.
King G6. King
King
G6.
Now what will you do? One more checkmate.
Queen G7 or Queen H7 mate.
Okay, correct. Now some of the opening concept I will teach. Some of the openings I will teach. After that we will go to puzzles. Okay. First opening.
Okay, sir.
First opening I will teach is Ruy Lopez.
Yuko piano.
Guico piano also I will teach. First Ruy Lopez. After that piano. After that Petrov defense. Then Sicilian defense. Then Caracan defense. Then French defense. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
First is Ruy Lopez. E4,
Right. Lopez. Okay.
E5, NF,
Knight F3.
Knight F3, Knight
Knight
6,
C6.
BB5,
Bishop.
A6, Bishop A4, NF6. This is called Ruy Lopez. Okay.
Sir, should I note it down?
I'll send a video. I'll send a video.
Okay, sir.
I'll send a video. I am recording it. I am recording it.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Now, Gyoko piano is E4, E5,
E5. Knight F3.
Knight
Knight
C6,
C6. Knight C6. Bishop.
BC4,
Bishop C8.
then
Bishop
C5.
C5.
This is Gyoko piano.
Yuko piano.
Or Italian opening is also called Gyoko piano.
Yeah, but in Duco piano, bishop also comes to c5. In
Yes.
Italian, it doesn't come.
Yes. Now, then what? Petrov defense. E4, E4, E5, NF3, NF6. Now, suppose knight kills here. If you kill the pawn knight, then it will be a mistake. Now, queen here,
Then queen e2.
knight here. It is queen is trapped. This is called Petrov. This. So you have to what to do is, once you move this, you have to push the knight back. Then you have to kill the pawn. This is called Petrov defense. Did you get it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Now Sicilian defense.
E4, c5,
NF3,
nf3,
D6, D4, CD4, ND4, NF6, NC3, G6. This is called Sicilian dragon variation. It is like a
dragon variation. I know,
it's
sir, I know Smith-Morra gambit of
yes, I'll teach you. Different gambits I'll teach you. One by one we will go. Okay.
Okay, sir. How many gambits are there, sir?
I will teach at least 10 gambits, but there are thousands of gambits.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
9 gambits I will teach. Then French defense is E4, E6,
E3,
E6, E6, D4, D5,
E5,
then C5, C3. This is called French defense.
okay. Which variation, sir? Decline?
Defense. This is the main variation. There are several variations.
Main variation.
Main variation. There is exchange variation also there, but the main variation I thought. Then Caracan defense is E4, C6, D4, D5. This is called Caracan defense.
Caracan, okay.
Caracan defense. Queen's Gambit one shall teach. After that we'll go. Queen's Gambit is
Queen's gambit is D4, D5.
D4,
D4, D5, C4,
D4, C6, E6. It is Queen's Gambit decline. Queen's Gambit after
decline. Accepted is when D pawn takes C pawn.
yes,
That's
this is called
accepted.
Queen's Gambit accepted. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this Queen's Gambit. Now another opening is Grunfeld defense. D4, NF6, D4,
In Indian defense.
Grunfeld defense. King's Indian defense I'll teach you some other day. NC3, D5, CD5, ND5, E4, NC3, BC3. This is called Grunfeld defense.
Which defense, sir?
Grunfeld defense. Grunfeld defense. Gary Kasparov's famous
Grunfeld.
Grunfeld. Grunfeld.
Grunfeld.
Grunfeld.
I thought Sicilian was Gary Kasparov.
No, Caracan and Grunfeld defense are Gary Kasparov's main thing. Can you go to puzzle?
Sir, Sir, black or white has more advantage in Gulfield?
Gunfield defense, it will be based on further position. It is main variation. It will be based on your middle game tactics. It will decide.
Okay, sir.
Okay, can we go to puzzles now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more
Yes.
today. Tomorrow we'll go to 2 more. It is okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I'm recording it. I'll send a video after this class.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I'll note it down at home.
White to play in checkmate black in 1 move.
Queen take
Queen
H7.
H7. Queen H7.
Queen H7 is correct.
Queen H7.
Correct. Queen H7 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
How many havas do we have?
How many? How many? What is that?
Havas. Havas. HOURS.
Today 40 minutes. Every day 40 minutes. Total is 21 days. 23 days. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move. 1 move.
Knight.
Knight E7. Knight
Knight
E7.
E7.
No,
Then
sir.
it will not be checkmate. King can
No, sir.
F7.
G7.
No, sir. Knight
Knight G7.
H5.
Knight
Knight
G7 is
H5.
also not
Knight
possible.
H5.
Knight
Knight
H6 is
H5.
correct. Knight H6 is
Knight
correct.
H5.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
White to play checkmate black in 1 move.
Bishop
Bishop
F6.
F6. Bishop F6.
Bishop
Bishop
F6.
F6.
Correct. King can't come here or here. Correct. White to play checkmate black in 1 move.
Rook G1.
Rook
Rook
G1.
G1.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Bishop is this checkmate. White to play checkmate black in 1 move.
Rook
Rook G1.
G1. Rook G1.
Rook
Rook
G1.
G1, then king can go to
No, sir.
H8.
Rook E8. Rook E8.
Rook E8. Rook E8. Rook E8. Rook E8.
Rook E8 is correct.
A8.
Rook E8 is correct. Rook G2, what will happen is rook can come here. Only 1 move is there for you. Or king can go to H8. Only 1 move. Did you get it? Who told Rook G2? It's wrong.
Sir.
Rook E8.
Rook G2,
Rook
sir.
E8 is Rook G2
Sir,
is
but
wrong.
me-
Rook E8.
Rook
If
Rook
then
E8.
it's Rook E8. Rook
E8
E8.
is correct. Rook E8 is
Rook
correct.
E8.
Correct.
Sir, sir, mommy, and you go back from first.
Okay. What is that?
So Rook G2 first.
Rook G2, then king can go to
Checkmate
H8.
is also very good.
King
Rook
can go to
E8.
H8.
Checkmate. Rook E8.
G8 is correct. Rook E8 is correct. Only 1 move. Rook E8 is the first move.
That is 2 moves.
Only 1 move. 1 move. 1 move. Two
Right is mate in 1.
We'll go tomorrow. White to play in checkmate black in 1 move.
Rook to E8.
Rook to E8 is correct. Very good. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Rook E8 is correct.
White to play checkmate black in 1 move.
Rook H1. Rook H1.
H1. Rook H1.
ಮೋದಿನಿ
H1.
H1.
ನೀನ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದೇ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣೆ ಮೋದಿನಿ.
H1.
White to play checkmate black in 1 move.
Bishop to C5.
Bishop to C5 is correct.
Bishop
Very
C5.
good. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct.
Sir, Bishop H6.
Bishop G6, then what will happen is rook can come to here G7. It is not possible. Bishop H6 is correct. Correct. Bishop C5 is correct. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
But sir, king can move to G7, no? Oh, no,
Bishop
this is
soldier is there, no? This soldier is there.
I
F6
didn't see
soldier
the
is there.
pawn.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move.
Bishop.
Bishop C6.
Bishop C6 is not possible.
Bishop D6.
Bishop D6 is correct. The discovered check is said. Rook is giving check and
Discover check. Yes, sir.
discovered check.
Double check.
Double check. King can't come here or here. Correct. White to play.
Checkmate black in one move, sir.
One move. One move. One move.
So bishop A7.
Now we'll go to two moves.
Bishop
Okay.
A7.
Bishop
Bishop A7.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Sir, rook H4.
Sir, rook H4.
Rook H4 is
Sir,
correct.
rook H4.
Rook H4 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. King can't come here. White to play and checkmate black in one move.
Okay, sir.
Pawn into queen.
Pawn takes queen. Pawn takes queen. Promote to queen.
Queen. Correct.
Promote to queen. Yes.
One soldier moves to 8th rank, you can get queen, rook, bishop or knight.
Yes, sir.
White to play,
Again, sir, again discover check and double check.
discovered check and double check. Correct.
Previous example, pawn to rook kill the queen.
But
Pawn to rook. Pawn to rook.
pawn to rook is
Pawn
not.
takes rook.
Pawn takes rook.
Promote
And
to
no.
Queen,
Then
queen. Pawn takes
queen.
pawn takes queen. Pawn takes queen.
Sir,
pawn takes queen. Queen.
Pawn take queen. What will you
Pawn
take?
takes queen.
What?
Promote to queen.
Queen.
Queen, then it will not be checkmate. King can go to f7. Only one move.
Knight.
Rook. Promote to rook.
Rook also wrong.
Promote
Knight.
knight.
Sir,
Knight.
knight.
Knight is correct. Knight is correct. King can't come here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Two queens. Okay.
Two queens are there. Okay.
Pawn.
Pawn takes knight.
Pawn
So
take
pawn
knight,
takes
then it will not be checkmate. King. Oh yes, it is. Oh. It is checkmate. King
Yes.
come here or here.
It is checkmate, sir.
It is checkmate. We'll go step by step. Tomorrow will be two moves. Okay.
Okay, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir, bishop to
Queen
E8.
F6.
Bishop E8.
Bishop
Bishop
E8.
E6.
The queen F6.
Bishop E8. Bishop
Bishop
E8.
E8, then king will kill the bishop. Only one move. Only one.
Bishop E6. Bishop
Sir,
Bishop E6
queen
also, then king will kill the bishop.
G7. Queen to G7. Queen
G7.
F7.
Queen to
Queen
G7.
to
Correct.
G7.
Correct.
Queen
Now, king,
G7.
now king can't come here or here or here or here. Correct. Did you get it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Sir, rook.
Rook
C7. Rook C7. Rook
C7.
C7.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Or here. Did- White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Rook H8.
Sir, rook A8.
H8, what will
Rook
happen
H8.
is king
Rook
can
H8.
go to G5. Only one move is there for you. Only one move.
Queen E3.
Queen E3 is correct. Now king can't go here or here. Correct. Amodhi ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ?
Yes, sir.
Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Knight to B5.
Knight to B5 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. One move checkmate.
Sir, king
Oh.
B2, B3.
King
King
B2 is not
B2.
possible.
B1.
Knight
Yes, sir, King B1.
King
Sir,
B1.
King B1.
King B1 is
Sir,
correct.
King
B1.
B1.
King B1.
B1 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here or here. Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in one move. One move.
Queen D6.
Queen D6.
Queen D6.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in one move. One move.
Okay, sir. King to
King to
D6.
D6.
King
King to D6.
King to
Sir, king
D6.
C6.
King C6 is not possible. King C6, then soldier will give check.
Okay.
D6
King
is there.
King D6.
King can't come here or here. Bishop is there. Bishop is giving check.
Yes, sir.
White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Rook.
Sir, rook F7.
D7.
Rook
Sir,
F7,
rook
then
F7,
it will
rook
not be
F7.
checkmate.
D7.
Rook F7, then king can go
Rook
to
H8. Rook H8. Rook H8.
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 H8. Yeah.
White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
F7.
F7. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದದು? Who told?
Sanjana.
Sanjana. Correct. Correct. Very good. King can't come here or here. Correct. Here also. White to play and checkmate black in one move.
Sir, rook G7.
Rook H G7 you have to tell. Both the rooks are.
Rook H to G7.
Rook H8. Rook H8.
Yet rook H8 is not possible. Then king kills.
Rook H to G7.
Rook H to G7 is correct.
Yes, sir.
White to play checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir, knight B7.
Rook to D7. Rook to D7. Rook to D7.
King can
Rook
go.
to D7.
Yeah.
Rook to D7.
Rook to D7 is correct.
Rook to
Rook
D7.
D7
Rook
is correct.
D7.
Now king can't come here or here. Right.
Yes, sir.
White to play.
Sir, knight A7.
Sir, knight D6. Knight
Knight
D6.
D6 is wrong. Knight D6 then
A7.
then
Knight
soldier will kill
A7.
them. Knight A7. Knight A7 is correct. Knight A7. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play and checkmate black in one move.
Sir, queen to
Queen to
F7.
To Rook. Queen into H8 Rook.
Queen to
Rook
A8.
into H8 Rook.
Correct. 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 Now king can't come here or here or here.
I look at one book. Checkmate.
One look checkmate tomorrow. Daksh. Tomorrow I'll teach you. Is it okay? Because
Yes, sir.
all are new. Tomorrow I'll teach one look checkmate. Is it okay? Tomorrow I'll teach. Wait to play and checkmate black in one move. One move.
So Queen F7.
Knight. Sir,
Queen,
F6.
queen F6, then queen will kill the queen.
Sir, Queen F7. Queen
Queen F7
F7.
is correct. Queen F7 is correct. White can't kill it. White knight can't kill the queen.
Bishop.
No.
It's pinned. It's
It is
pinned.
absolute pin.
Pinned by the rook.
It is pinned by rook. Knight can't kill it because rook has pinned it.
Yes.
White to play and checkmate black in one move.
Sir, rook. Rook
sir,
D8.
rook to
Rook
rook
to
D8.
D8.
Rook
then
to
king-
pawn. Rook to pawn. Rook to
Rook
pawn.
takes pawn. Rook takes pawn.
Rook to
Rook takes
G4.
pawn.
Rook to
G4.
G4.
G4. Rook takes G4.
4.
Correct.
Rook
Now
to
king
G4.
can't come here or here. Correct.
Can you get two moves? Checkmate.
Tomorrow. Today one move. White to play and checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir, pawn G7. G7. Pawn
On
G7.
push.
G7.
On push.
Yes. Now king can't come here or king can't kill that pawn. Rook is giving check. So wait check. White to play and checkmate black in one move. One move.
So knight to
Knight to
knight
H6.
E7.
Knight to F. Knight to F6. Correct.
H6.
Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Now king can't come. Knight is giving check. King comes here. Bishop is giving check. It comes. White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move.
So pawn to c7.
Pawn
sir.
to-
Bishop.
pawn to c1.
Bishop
Bishop d6.
Sir, bishop d6.
Pawn to
Bishop
c7. What
d6.
will happen? King will kill the pawn.
d6.
Bishop
Bishop
d6.
d6.
Bishop d6.
Bishop d6.
Bishop d6 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. No, king can't come here. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, pawn takes rook.
Pawn to c4. Pawn to c4.
Pawn to bc4 is correct. B c4 is
cb4.
cb4
cb4.
is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. I'm recording.
d to b4 is correct.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir,
Sir,
pawn
pawn
c3.
takes pawn. Pawn takes pawn.
Pawn takes pawn, then it will not be checkmate. King can go to b.
Sir, pawn
Sir,
c3.
sir, pawn c3. Pawn
C3.
c3.
Correct. Pawn c3 correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct.
Yes. Checkmate.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Rook.
Sir, pawn push. Sir, pawn
Sir,
push.
pawn push.
Pawn,
No,
pawn
no,
push
it's
is not
pinned.
possible. Pawn push is not possible. It will not be
It's
possible.
pinned.
Sir, rook to a5.
Rook to a5 is correct. Rook to a5 is correct.
Yes, sir.
Now king can't go here or here. Correct. Now white to play in checkmate black in one move. What happened? What happened?
Pawn c3.
Pawn c3.
Pawn c3.
Then it will not be checkmate. King can go to b4. One move.
Pawn c4.
Pawn c4 is correct. Why n% is not possible? Because bishop is already giving check. Now n% is not possible. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, rook. Sir, sir, pawn to f6.
Pawn
F6.
f6 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or cannot go back also. Rook is there. Can't come here or here. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, knight to b5.
Knight. Who told this?
Sir, me, Rishabh.
Rishabh, correct, Rishabh. Very good. Now king can't come here or here or here. White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move.
Knight to d.
Sir, rook g6.
Knight d5.
Knight d5 it will not be
Knight
checkmate.
d5.
Now
Sir,
king
rook
can,
g6.
Rook g6.
now king
Sir,
can,
rook g6.
rook g6 is correct.
Rook g.
Rook g6 is. Now king can't come here or here or here or here.
Yes, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir,
Sir,
pawn
pawn push. Pawn push.
e7.
Pawn
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 e7.
Pawn e7 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here or here. Correct. Correct. White to play.
Sir, sir, rook takes rook to a7.
To e7 is correct. Who told that?
Yes.
Now king
Sir,
can't come.
Rishabh.
Rishabh, correct. Very good. King can't come here or here. Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Sir, rook
E7.
e7. Rook e7.
E7.
E7 is correct.
G8.
Now king can't come here or here or here. White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir, bishop to d5.
Bishop
bishop to d5, what will happen is
Bishop to h5.
king can go to
H5.
king
Bishop
can go to
h5.
To h5. Bishop to h5.
Bishop to h5 is correct. Bishop to h5 is correct. Now king can't go anywhere. Bishop is there. Now bishop is king check. White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Sir, knight to d5. Knight d5.
Knight d5 is correct.
Knight d5.
Now king can't come here or cannot go back also. Correct. Correct.
Sir, knight b5.
Knight b5 is wrong. Then what will happen? King can go to c6, b6. King can go to b6. Only one move is there for you. That is why knight d5 is correct.
Yes, sir. Yes.
White to play.
Sir, rook to b5. b5.
Rook to
Pawn to
b5,
a3.
then
Pawn to
then
a3.
king will kill the rook.
Pawn to a3. Pawn to a3.
Pawn to a3.
Pawn to a3.
Pawn-
Pawn to
Rook h4 is also wrong. Then king can escape. Pawn to a3 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Sir, knight to f7.
Knight to f7 is correct. Why bishop? Knight to f7, then king can.
Knight to f7.
Knight f5.
Knight to f5.
Knight to f5.
Knight f5 is correct. Why bishop can't kill it? Why bishop can't kill it?
Rook is pinned.
It is pinned. It is
Because
called,
Bishop is pinned.
it is called absolute
Now
pin.
the rook is spinning it.
Yes, it is called absolute pin.
Absolutely.
What is relative pin? Can you do you know?
If
It pins
Whether
two
pieces-
pieces at a time.
if any pieces is pinning the other piece except the king.
Yes, that is correct. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, knight f7.
Knight
Sir,
f7.
knight f5.
Knight
Knight
f7.
f5.
F7. Knight
Correct, correct.
F7.
Correct, correct,
Knight f7.
correct. Now white to play in checkmate black in one move.
Queen
Sir,
D,
sir,
Queen
bishop,
C6.
sir, pawn c5.
Queen c6 is correct. Now
Queen C6.
bishop cannot come is because rook has pinned it.
Yes, sir.
So king can't come here or here or here. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, pawn to c5.
Pawn to c5 is not checkmate. King, then
Now also
Sir,
yes,
it is
correct.
checkmate.
It is checkmate.
Sir,
Correct.
it is
Yes, correct. It is checkmate. King can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, knight takes d7.
Knight takes d7 is correct.
Knight C6.
Knight
the
d7.
knight D7.
Now king can't come here or here. Bishop is pinned. Correct.
Sir, it's a fork.
It is fork also. Fork will take
I can
different
see
side.
the fork.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, pawn takes f7. Pawn takes
Pawn
f7.
takes F7.
Pawn takes f7, then king will kill the pawn. Only
Sir,
one move.
pawn h6, pawn h7,
Pawn
pawn
h7.
h7, pawn
Pawn
h7.
h7 is correct.
g7.
Pawn h7 is correct.
G7.
Now king can't come here or here. King can't kill the pawn also. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Na-
Bishop to
bishop takes e. Bishop takes
Bishop
knight.
takes
Bishop
E7.
takes a knight.
Queen
King
to
will kill the knight.
b8. Queen to e8.
Queen to
Queen to
b8.
b8.
Queen to b8.
Queen to b8.
Queen b7.
b8 is
To
correct.
b8.
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 Now knight can't come here because she absolute pin. King can't go anywhere. White to play. Checkmate back in one move.
Sir, rook takes knight.
No. Then queen will kill the rook. Only one move.
Queen takes
Sir,
rook
queen takes rook, queen takes rook,
Queen
queen
takes
takes
rook.
rook.
Queen takes
Queen
rook.
takes rook.
Queen
takes
G8
rook
is-
to G8.
Queen
takes
G8
rook
is
to
correct.
G8.
Queen G8 is correct. Now knight can't move here, knight can't kill the queen.
Absolute pin.
Absolute pin.
By the rook.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, pawn
promotion.
promotes to queen. Pawn promotes to queen.
Promotes to queen.
Correct. Correct.
Sir, what if we take rook?
Rook also it is checkmate. Rook also it is checkmate.
Rook also can.
It can take. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, bishop to c7.
Bishop
Bishop to
D.
Bishop c7.
Bishop c7 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, bishop to f7.
Bishop to f7 is correct. Now king can't move anywhere. King can't come here or here. Correct.
And knight can't take because of an absolute pin.
Absolute pin. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir, knight to c7.
Knight to c7.
E4.
Knight to b4.
No,
Knight
sir,
to
knight
b4.
b4.
before
Knight
knight
b4.
b4.
Knight b4 is correct. Knight b4 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. White to play.
Sir, bishop to g6.
Bishop to g6 and king will kill the bishop. King will kill the bishop. Only one move is there for you.
Sir,
F7.
queen. Sir,
Bishop
Bishop F7.
Bishop
f7.
F7.
Bishop
Bishop
f7.
F7.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. It is discovered check.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
White to play. One move checkmate.
Sir, knight to e7.
Knight to
e7 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
F7. And F7.
nf e7 you are correct. White to play.
Sir, pawn takes pawn on d6.
Yes. It is called ed6. ed6. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. And the two give after that we'll start mantra and close the class. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir,
The
bishop
pawn
to
to
Ush
c6.
checkmate on ush.
On
On
bishop
ush.
e6.
On
Bishop
ush.
e6 then king will kill the bishop. King will kill the
On
bishop.
Sir, c6.
On
Sir, c6.
ush. Sir. On ush. On
C6
ush
is correct.
c6.
Correct, C6, correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Last problem I'll give. After that we'll chant mantra. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, knight to d8. Knight d8. Knight d8.
Then rook will kill the knight.
Sir, knight g5. Knight
Sir,
No,
g5.
that is also
knight
wrong.
d6. Knight d6.
Knight d6 also wrong.
Pawn
Knight
takes
d6
g5.
totally.
Knight
Pawn takes
g5.
g5.
Pawn takes
Pawn
g5.
takes g5.
Pawn takes
G5.
g5. Samyak is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Can I chant mantra?
Yes, sir.
नमस्तनंता शास्त्र मूर्ते शास्त्र पदक शिरोभावी शास्त्र हमने पुरुषा शास्त्र शास्त्र को विदारणि ओम शांति शांति शांति. What is that?
Sir, that class was nice.
Thank you. I'll send
Thank
the
you,
video
sir.
recording of
Bye.
the class. I'll send the recording of the.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Okay, sir.